Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We recently picked up this 30-inch Harbor Freight metal brake at a garage sale. We bought a whole bunch of stuff at that garage sale, but this is a gem. It's got a little bit of rust scale on it. We're going to clean that up. We're going to modify it a little bit so it's a little easier to use, a little better to use. Get it off that wood and show you a few tricks we got up our sleeve to make it a lot more user-friendly. All right, here we go. Well guys, as I said, we picked this up at a garage sale where we purchased about everything in the garage. So along the way here we'll clean up and modify a few other shop tools that we found in that garage. This one, she's seen better days. She's a little rusty, a little scaly. We're going to start out by hitting that with the wheel and cleaning that up. So we're going to get that done real quick here. Yeah, hang on and we'll get it to the point where we can get her cleaned up, get her usable. Can't do much of that rust, so let's get that out of here first. We get some ear coverage. Give me some eyeball coverage. And we'll start out with the little blue wheel. Hey, if you guys haven't picked up one of these little wheels, I don't even know what they call them. But boy, does that take off paint and rust. Get me a cord. Boy, I can't reach that. Huh, that's a good spot for it. Well, let's walk around here. We'll get it. I gotta move my table. That there cord is just a little too short for me to reach. All right, here we go. Plug your ears. Oh. Well, that one doesn't want to work. What's going on? Okay. We'll find a new way. I'll have to climb up there and see what's going on up there. Hopefully that'll reach over where we're at. All right. Take two. Let's try this again. All right, there we go. That's all we need. All right, guys, that was quick, easy. Looks good as new. The old Rust Buster 2000, whatever these things are called. I don't even know what they are. I got them off the Jungle website. I should go look at the box. I can tell you what they are. Hang on, I'll be right back. I lied to you, can't find the box. Alright, never mind. You just go on that dear Jungle website, you'll find them. Them things work the best. They don't take any material, just the rust and the scale. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's much better. Much better. Alright. Now, if you watch in the old YouTube land, you might have seen some of these upgrades we're going to do, but we're going to swing it with our version. Both sides of this here plate are beveled, but this one looks really beat up. I think somebody was doing a little hammering on that. I'll take a little file real quick, clean up that edge there. Something hit that hard. Let's grab just a little file. little Matco file out here. Let's get that fixed up. Clean that up real quick. Don't want no gouges in our metal when we're bending it. There we go. There we go. Got a nice clean edge on it now. You ain't get my fingernail on that. The rest of it feels pretty good. Got a little spot right there. That's what happens when you buy garage sale stuff. You know, it's not brand new. It's been used and abused. We'll bring her back to life though. Check this side out. Yeah, might as well clean up this side too. Guess I should have got the bigger files out. That's alright. We got her cleaned up. That didn't take much. No big edges on there. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. Let's go here. Put these tools back, Hate to trip over them tools when they're out. Okay. Well, you know all these work. If you ever looked them up, they're made to clamp down on everything. You're putting a clamp on there, and I just don't like that. I don't like that at all. That's too much work. So I had a buddy drop me off a piece of scrap steel that he got the other day. We're going to cut that down, clean it up. We're going to make it fit on here so that we can build some stuff to make her adjustable in one piece. So we're going to go ahead and get that ready. And we'll probably just fast forward it. You guys don't want to watch me cut and clean up stuff here. It's real simple. So we'll be back in a minute, and through the magic of the old video cameras, we'll snap our fingers and it'll be done. I snapped too early. Okay. We'll be back. Alright guys, here's our finished garage sale Harbor Freight 30-inch little brake. We did some updating to it, some upgrades. Oops, sorry about that. Got her flipped up. We added a little bracket to the back of it to strengthen it up. I know the new one's coming that way. We got a new bracket. I was just at Harbor Freight earlier today and saw that. We kind of copied some stuff online. We'll loosen this up here real quick. We're going to put some wing nuts on there or something at some point, but that opens her up. We got the spring mounted on the side there. It's slidable. It slides back and forth. It's notched on the end. The other thing we did is I don't like clamps. I don't want to clamp it to the countertop. So what I did is I built this little clamp on the side of it down here. And so you can just grab the thing. You can slide it off your bench. No need to clamp it on. You go ahead and bend it. Push up as hard as you want. That's not going to go. My table's moving without that. And if I ever change the table or the size of the table, we'll just notch that out and redo it. Did it on both sides. Works out real well. Real well. We turn that, what are these things like? I don't know, 40, 50 bucks, 60 bucks. Turn it into a usable piece. We'll get some use out of it here in the shop. Again, that came in that garage sale stuff I bought. All scrap metal. Used all scrap metal to fix that up. And there you have it. Final project. Alright.